Nagluluto kasi ako. Kainis. Ano kasi, wala kasi akong makeup. Maybe I need to put some makeup on my face. Hi, Paul. Because I don't have makeup, it's okay. Right? I'm still look good naman. Even I don't have makeup. Ano, pero ang dami nag-work. Yeah? Dami nag-work. Hello, hello. Wala ako masyadong kausap dito. What if I like to say the face, my heart's skipping. Mag-end na ako later. What are you waiting for? Love me like it too. La la, love me like it too. Touch me like you're due. Da da da. Love me like it too. Let's see on Saturday, okay? But right now, hi Rockstar. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Lucas Belayo, pang biyahe ko. Wow. Ibigin ka sa... Hi, Rain. Magluluto pa ako later eh. Oh, thank you. Magluluto pa ako. Thank you, Rain. Ay, sakit ang ulo ko. Ilalagay ko pala dito, Baby Jane. Thank you so much. Ano? Samahan kita. Same. I don't know your name. First time nyo na ako. Holly. Yes, the first time na ako. Malayo pa. It's almost 3K for 4-star. Hello, good evening. Yes. Yes po. Nako magbigay sa'yo. Bukas na ako magbigay sa'yo. Oy, thank you. Can I call you Baby Jane? Okay lang. Yes. Sige pa, 1 box mo ako. Di pa ako nakaranas ng 1 box eh. Go lang. Akong ibigin ka